Hey you guys, I'm back. I just wanted to style my hair with you guys on stretched hair. I never did a video like this before, so why not? I am just checking my length real quick. I did cut my hair recently, so I'm just trying to see where it's at. I am using a new product. It's called Luscious Organic Curl Custard. I just wanted to see how it will work with my hair already being stretched out. So let's just go ahead and get to it, you guys. One thing I will say about it, using it on dry hair, it definitely flaked a little bit. So while I was combing, I did see like little white, I don't even know how to explain it, like little white dots flying on me everywhere. So I definitely probably will not use it on dry hair. I definitely will use it on wet hair and see if I receive the same result. But it wasn't a lot. I wasn't like covered in white spots everywhere like I had chicken pox or something. But it is kind of noticeable. But the next day when I did take it out, it disappeared. It wasn't left over in my hair at all, so that was a good thing. And these are my results, and I'm honestly happy with them. My Bantu nails came out beautiful. And now I'm just showing you how I do my little makeup routine afterwards. It's very simple. Very, very simple. You guys know I am no makeup queen, so don't expect anything extravagant. But I just wanted to show you guys how I get my simple look. I am trying to be a little fancy for you guys. Don't you guys just love my little simple look? I know you guys do. I know, because I do. So thank you guys so much for watching. You know, I had to throw my shades on. But until next time, bye.